देख रहे हैं आप राजेश ठाकुरी ब्लॉग और मैं हूँ आपके राजू ठाकुरी और आज हमारे शो पे आए बहुत ही होनहार एक एम्पावरमेंट वोमेन जो कि भारत के लिए बहुत अच्छे काम कर रही है और स्पेशली हमारे जो यूथ जो आज की जनरेशन से या फिर आप सोचिए कि ओल्ड एज हम बेसिकली अपने स्किन को ऊपर भूल जाते हैं जो कि बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है हमारे एक बॉडी में और उनके लिए कुछ एक बहुत ही सुंदर एक सोल्यूशन जो कि शॉर्टकट में भी कर सकते हैं और आज आए हैं हमारे श्री विद्या जी फ्रॉम को फाउंडर के जो मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर है तो उनसे जानेंगे कि ये प्रोडक्ट हम यूज कैसे करना है, इसके बेनिफिट क्या है, कब करना है, कैसे करना है। तो प्लीज वेलकम हमारे श्री विद्या जी हमारे शो पे और शुक्रिया करता हूँ कि हमारे शो को आने के लिए आपने इतना बड़ा
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for inviting me and giving me this opportunity. I thank everyone to giving this opportunity. Thank you. So I'm so excited that we have launched a wonderful product in this market today. So the product is a Globin Co. The company name is. The product is it's a scrubber which gives your body. It's a scrubber which gives your body a refreshing feel, and it has completely natural product that we have used in that. So no side effects. It's a 0% chemical that we have used. So in this period, so we all are like very speedy life we are living in. So there's no time that we can look for any natural things out. Feel everywhere it is added more of chemical. So this is where you get natural. So you will feel that. So when you taking it right, when you're taking the product, you will feel the result in the first time when you use it right. You will feel the result over the time. So I assure you that our product is going to wonder for your body. So you also enjoy it and you again keep ordering a product.
That's a wonderful thing she said because see usually what happens आप कोई भी मार्केट में जाओ कहीं भी जाओ because this is actually no company no manufacturing right
yes
you are starting this business from your home from our kitchen you can see तो घर पे कोई chemical preserve नहीं करते to preserve the chemicals you need to have big manufacturing and all this is the basic I think everybody we know so whatever she is doing from the home घर से वो करके आ रही है और ये जब घर पे बनता है तो केमिकल यूज नहीं करता तो अभी जानते हैं कि उस केमिकल में या फिर वो प्रोडक्ट में क्या क्या यूज करते हैं प्रोडक्ट
So all a natural product we use. So we know it's a coffee bean. Coffee bean is wonderful in doing exfoliation of skin, and we are using honey, vitamin E capsules, and almond oil, chia shell ka not
the sheep
butter, shea butter.
Okay.
Shea butter and coconut oil. All this put together, it will give a natural glow. There's no side effect.
Yes.
It will give natural glow, natural moisturizer. Even after doing this, you need not to apply a moisturizer on top. Yeah, it won't be dry until your next bath.
Okay.
It keeps you so hydrated in your body.
So you said you are using some kind of coconut oil also.
Yes, coconut
is,
oil.
I think it's by default it's a very healthy.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
So this is the ingredient you are using. The method form is it in the liquid form?
No, but it is always be in the harder form.
Okay.
So, but it doesn't harm your body. It doesn't harm your skins.
It's like in powder.
It's a powder base.
Or it's a particular smaller quantity.
No, it's a powder base. It's a powder base.
So next time I think you're going to get the product.
Yes.
Because it's in the packing stage. So that's the one thing. And what is the uses of this do and don'ts?
So do and don'ts. Do is only applying to your body, not an external use. Okay. You definitely you will be tempted with that smell and all, but it is not for your internal use.
Okay.
It's only for the external use. But do not apply on your skin, which means on your face. On your face. But if you wanted to remove your blackheads and all, right, just take a
Pinch.
take a pinch of product, just apply it over here, just scrub it, and leave for like 2 minutes. Just the smooth texture on that. Apart from you can use it on the body.
So that is a powder form. So you are saying that is scrubbing. So do you need to have any other material to scrub this?
No. Your two hand is
just we can do this scrubbing.
yes, just normal scrub.
Okay.
You need not to take extra scrubber and scrub it. Just take it in your hands put it in your body and just do a normal scrub.
Okay.
That's it.
So what is the time we are need to apply?
So usually, like have your scrub hardly 2 to 3 minutes. Just go for 2 minutes more to get extra smooth.
Okay.
Or
So,
if you feel,
so until we need to keep scrubbing the things.
yes, yes,
Okay. Okay. So after that again we need to take bath
yeah,
to clean.
yes, yes, yes,
So you are saying after bath also there is a moisture, there is a oily kind of thing.
yes, yes.
So is it preferred to use in summer?
No, it can be used at any season.
Any season.
Any season.
Okay. So what is the age limit on that?
See, our product there is no age limit. But since it is a scrubber, what we suggest is go after 15.
Okay.
Go after 15 years.
Till 15, 16 they have
15
this
years.
healthy skin. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so after 15 you can use. So this is point to be noted, guys. So 15 साल से बच्चे को use मत कराइए. And this can it be only for the ladies?
No, it is our product is basically unisex.
Oh,
So
great.
men and women can use it. No issue with that.
Very nice. With the same range, same
Same
quantity.
ring, same amount,
Okay.
everything.
Okay. So how long you will take to deliver if the person is ordering online?
So normally it will take 1 to 2 days. Within the city, then
Okay.
it take 1 to 2 days.
Uh-huh.
If people are ordering from out of the city, so it will take more.
Depend on the
Depend on the state or city.
Okay. That's
So 48 hours to 72 hours. Yeah.
You are charging any cost for delivering at home?
So internally no charges, but yes, if it is out of the state, then the charges will be applicable.
So you said the moisturizing for your skinning taking care. So what kind of benefit we can get it from that?
So yeah, your skin will automatically start glow after applying the product.
Okay.
So one is it gives you smooth texture, and second one is removing your detan.
Okay.
Detan.
तो
तो
डी टाइम
company
क्या
में-
डी टाइम क्या होता है दोस्तों, तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में इसका डिटेल्स आपको दे देंगे कि वो डी टाइम का मतलब कितने, मेरे के लिए भी आज फर्स्ट टाइम है, तो डी टाइम क्या चीज़ के लिए होता है और क्या क्या बेनिफिट है, क्या क्या करना चाहिए, सारे डिटेल्स आपको हम लोग डिस्क्रिप्शन में कमेंट बॉक्स में दे देंगे. यस मैम.
Yes, and detan, and it gives exfoliation, good exfoliation. So especially in adults, they'll have a strawberry skin.
ओके.
So some might call it as a chicken skin. You know, have you seen like in the body they have
डॉट
dot. So that makes softer. So that will remove. So basically, core thing is to remove that thing and make it so soft your skin. Yeah.
So I just wanted to, thanks for that. And the more curiosity from the customer is, what is the quantity of the box,
Yeah.
and is it, the kg or gram or the cost, of course, the cost effectively of this.
See, the market price, so we are particularly into market price now. Okay. See, if you see everybody, as we come up startup, right? So we don't want to get it all like in a bulk. So we are planned for like very simple, so that everybody can get utilized.
Yeah.
So we are planned with the package is 100 gram
Okay.
and very minimalist cost.
Okay.
It is only 249.
Oh.
Yeah, it's only 249.
100 gram.
Yeah, 100 grams. And many people can easily afford that, right?
Yes, it's student.
Yes, yes.
I think to take care of your own skin
Yeah.
is important. Because now I think Vaseline, I don't want to call out the name, but there are so many the cream, whatever we are using for our skin, right? Even that also is costing is too high.
Yes, yes,
So,
yes.
so it's not like you need to use only in winter and avoid in summer. No, you said
No seasonal objects.
Anywhere you can use.
Anytime.
Thank you, ma'am. So
Thank
all
you
the
so
very
much.
best for your new product.
Thank you
and,
so much.
And hope to keep again to come with your lot of peoples and
Definitely.
productions. So and thank you for coming my show and giving your valuable time.
Thank
And from our entire team, from cameramen and our managing director Parida and Durga and Parida ji, तो आप सभी को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और मैडम को भी
Thank
बहुत
you.
शुक्रिया. तो please come next time with your products. Thank you,
you,
ma'am.
Dennis.
Thanks.
Thank you. And thank you so much